Dear students, welcome back my YouTube channel Challenge Success Point. Question number 97. Life of Milton has been written by. Choose the right option from the given alternatives. Option A. Samuel Johnson. Option B. Ben Jonson. Option C. Charles Lamb. Option D. John Drayton. The right answer of this question is option A. Life of Milton has been written by Samuel Johnson. Question number 98. Pick out the correct antonyms among the following words. Extreme poverty had reduced them to a state of apathy. Apathy. The antonym of apathy. apathy का antonyms कौन सा विकल्प है? ऑप्शन ए कोऑपरेशन, ऑप्शन बी फ्रेंडशिप, ऑप्शन सी इंस्पिरेशन, ऑप्शन डी enthusiasm. The right answer of this question is option D. Enthusiasm. The meaning of apathy. Indifference or depression. The meaning of enthusiasm is passion. So the right answer of this question is option D. Apathy means dispassion or enthusiasm means passion. Question number 99. In which year was Justice published? Option A 1905, option B 1908, option C 1912, option D 1910. The right answer of this question is option D. 1910. Justice was published in 1910, written by John Galsworthy. Question number 100. What does the idiom smell at rate? Option A to have reason to respect. रिस्पेक्ट के स्थान पर सस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए. सस्पेक्ट. टू हैव रीजन टू सस्पेक्ट. ऑप्शन बी टू टॉक बोस्टफुली, ऑप्शन सी टू टॉक अनफेयरली, ऑप्शन डी टू डिस्करेज. द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए. स्मेल ए रैट. स्मेल ए रैट का अर्थ होता है बिकेम सस्पिशियस. ऑप्शन ए टू हैव रीजन टू सस्पेक्ट. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 101. In which year the Prelude was published? Option A 1805, option B 1850, option C 1855, option D 1835. The right answer of this question is option B 1850. The Prelude was published 1850. Question number 102. Change the sentence into passive voice. I saw him opening the box. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि जब हम किसी सेंटेंस यानी एक्टिव वॉइस को पैसिव में चेंज करते हैं तो ऑब्जेक्ट एक्टिव वॉइस का जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट बन जाता है. जैसे हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे आई सब्जेक्ट है, सा वर्ब और हिम ऑब्जेक्ट है. तो पैसिव जब बनाएंगे तो हिम पहले आ जाएगा. तो हिम का क्या आ जाएगा? ही. फिर अगर पास्ट इंडिफिनिट में है तो हम इसका पैसिव बनाते हैं तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब वाज या वेयर लगता है. तो ही के साथ में हो जाएगा वाज, तो हो जाएगा ही वाज. और वर्ब की थर्ड ही वाज सीन. फिर क्या दिया गया? ओपनिंग द बॉक्स. ही वाज सीन ओपनिंग द बॉक्स. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी. Question number 103. Who is Hamlet's beloved in the play Hamlet? Option A, Olivia. Option B, Portia. Option C, Ophelia. Option D, Cordelia. The right answer of this question is option C, Ophelia. Hamlet's beloved. The play Hamlet is written by William Shakespeare. Question number 104. Complete the sentence. Shakespeare has written space historical plays. Option A 4, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. The right answer of this question is option D 8. Shakespeare has written 8 historical poets. Question number 105. Find out the correct option. A. Sonnet consists. Option A 14th lines. Option D 18th lines. Option C 20th lines. Option D 12th lines. The right answer of this question is option A 14 lines. Shakespeare, the sonnet has 14 lines, 3 quatrain and a couplet. Question number 106. Complete the sentence. Comus is. Option A musk. Option A poster allegory. Option C poetic line. Option C farce. The right answer of this question is option A musk. Comus is a musk. Question number 107. Find out the correct sentence. Option A, he was astonished at his success. Option B, he was astonished in his success. Option C, he was astonished on his success. Option D, he was astonished for his success. The right answer of this question is option A, he was astonished at his success. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि astonished के बाद प्रीपोजिशन at का प्रयोग किया जाता है. So the right answer of this question is option A. Question number 108. Complete the sentence. Milton's Areopagitica concerns with. Option A, liberty of human rights. Option B, liberty of press. Option C, the freedom of humanity. Option D, freedom of politics. The right answer of this question is option B, liberty of press. Areopagitica was published by John Milton in 1644. So the right answer of this question is liberty of press. Question number 109. Complete the sentence. Epiphany means. Option A, manifestation of God's presence. Option B, manifestation of Satan's presence. Option C,
सब्सक्राइब करें.
fanciful word. Option D, supernatural power. Epiphany means option A, manifestation of God's presence. Question number 110. Fill the gap with the appropriate word. I am badly in need. Space money. Option A with. Option B of. Option C for. Option D on. Right answer of this question is option B. Need is followed by the preposition of. Need of. Question number 111. In which play Shakespeare has presented a royal criminal? Option A, King Lear. Option B, Henry IV. Option C, Richard III. Option D, Henry VIII. The right answer of this question is option C, Richard III. Richard of Gloucester has killed his brothers, nephew and others for to become the king. Richard III. Richard III बनने के लिए रिचार्ड ऑफ ग्लॉसेस्टर ने अपने भाई, भतीजे और दूसरे लोगों को मार डाला था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 112. How many sonnets are addressed to Dark Lady by Shakespeare? Option A 27, option B 28, option C 29, option D 26. The right answer of this question is option D 26. Question number 113. How many sonnets are addressed to W.H. by Shakespeare? W.H. William Herbert. Option A 125, option B 124, option C 122, option D 126. The right answer of this question is option D 126. Shakespeare has written 126 sonnets addressed to W.H. William Herbert. Question number 114. Who asked how many children had Lady Macbeth? Option A Elsie Knights, option C A.C. Bradley, option C Rimmer, option D Wilson. The right answer of this question is option A Elsie Knight. Elsie Knight wrote how many children had Lady Macbeth. Who considered Romanticism, liberalism in literature? Option A Wordsworth, option B Plato, option C Theodore Watt Dunton, option D Pater. The right answer of this question is option C Theodore Watt Dunton. Considered Romanticism, liberalism in literature. Question number 116. Who is known as the fourth witch in the Shakespeare's woman character? Option A Lady Macbeth, option B Gertrude, option C Cordelia, option D Desdemona. The right answer of this question is option A Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth is known as the fourth witch in Shakespeare's play Macbeth. Question number 117. Fill in the blank with the appropriate preposition. She is ignorant. Space. What she pretends to know. Option A in, option B up, option C with, option D far. The right answer of this question is option B. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं ignorant is followed by preposition up, यानी ignorant के बाद preposition up का प्रयोग किया जाता है. Question number 118. Milton's poetic style is generally regarded as option A plain, option B classical, option C grand, option D ornamental. The right answer of this question is option C grand. Milton's poetic style is generally regarded as grand. Question number 119. Turn the following into indirect speech. Do you write a good hand? He said. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि जब रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इंट्रोगेटिव में होता है तो सेड के स्थान पर आस्क्ड का प्रयोग किया जाता है और इन्वर्टेड कामा के स्थान पर इफ या वेदर का प्रयोग किया जाता है. जैसा कि ऑप्शन ए में दिया गया ही आस्क्ड वेदर. फिर उसके बाद में सब्जेक्ट यानी नाउन या प्रोनाउन होता है, वो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट के अनुसार बदल जाते हैं. तो इसमें यू का यहाँ पर आई हो जाएगा. आई रोट ए गुड हैंड. ही आस्क्ड वेदर आई रोट ए गुड हैंड. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए. Question number 120. Who is Barack? Option A, jail. Option B, style. Option C, culture. Option D, book. The right answer of this question is option B, style. Question number 121. Correct the following sentence. It was bitter cold. Option A, it was cold bitterly. Option B, it was awful coldly. Option C, it was cold bitter. Option D, it was bitterly cold. जैसा कि इस सेंटेंस में दिया गया है बिटरली कोल्ड, यानी बिटरली एडवर्ब के रूप में प्रयोग हुआ है. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन डी. Question number 122. Find out which part of sentence has an error. Are you, option A, lived alone, option B, or married, option C, no error, D. The right answer of this question is option B. जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं कि आर यू यानी सेंटेंस जो है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस का है, तो वह प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में मैन वर्ब में आईएनजी का प्रयोग किया जाता है, तो लिव्ड के स्थान पर लिविंग हो जाएगा. आर यू लिविंग एलोन और मैरिड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 123. पिक आउट द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ऑफ द वर्ड एमंग द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स. ऑप्शन ए प्लेटिट्यूड. ऑप्शन बी प्लेटिट्यूड. ऑप्शन सी प्लेटिट्यूड. ऑप्शन डी प्लेटिट्यूड. The right answer of this question is option D. Platitude is the correct. Question number 124. Find out the correct proverbs. Option A, diamond cuts iron. Option B, diamond cuts gold. Option C, diamond cuts silver. Option D, diamond cuts diamond. The right answer of this question is option D. Diamond cuts diamond. Question number 125. Choose the name of the Roman general who conquered England in 43 BC. Option A, Julius Caesar. Option B, Claudius. Option C, Antony. Option D, none of these. The right answer of this question is option B, Claudius. Claudius conquered England in 43 BC.